7 things that make a man fall deeply in love with you. So this video will reveal 7 things that make a man fall deeply in love with you so you can hook his heart forever. And if you don't know these love creating elements, you might miss your shot at having true love. And I will reveal my drive detector to expose the true key to unlock his guarded heart. Now, hey, it's Erin, your personal love expert, back again on the channel where we make men make sense. VixenDaily. If you want to learn 7 ways to make a man love you, then write "I'm ready" right now in the comments down below while the intro plays. This video has been requested so many times, so I hope you guys enjoy. But before we dive in, I have a very small favor to ask. If you like this video, any of my videos, anything about me, what I'm wearing, love advice, give me a like, a thumbs up, give me a like, share, subscribe, tell people all about it. Now, here are 7 ways to provoke his lasting love for you and only you. Number 1 is go behind his mask and get to know the real him. This creates a deep connection, a bond, and guess what? You know you're gonna be talking to the real man inside, connecting with his real experience, his emotions, his dreams, know the man behind the mask, who he really is. And this means what? You get how he feels, not the polite nonsense response, you know what he cares about, not the socially acceptable response, not the polished smooth response, not the impressive response, but the real response. You know it's real because some of the time what he says is ugly or rough or not what you want to hear, but you know it's the truth, and it reveals what he's comfortable speaking to you about from a place of straight up truth, no censorship, no trying to adapt what he says to impress you, and that is beautiful, and that is the foundation of love, okay? And it's a very important thing. So don't think that the way he is to the outside world is him. Don't judge when he shares and opens up. And if you get upset, angry, or hostile or sad when he's sharing his genuine truth, he will stop sharing and choose to either say whatever he will just say to appease you, to avoid conflict, and he'll never share things that are true again. You'll kill this chance of him sharing himself with you. He won't bother sharing his true thoughts because he doesn't want to cause problems and he wants to avoid them. Number 2, support his drive. You will be irreplaceable in his mind because you support the deepest, most meaningful, most core, most important part of him as a man. His mission as a man, his purpose as a man, the direction he wants to go in. Men at their core feel fully alive as a man when they know the direction they want in their life, their purpose, their motivations, their feelings as a man will be based entirely upon this. And if they're on the right track, moving in the right direction, then they're happy and they're confident. And if they're not, they're miserable and depressed and kind of unsatisfied. So some men have a very large and clear idea of where they are headed and what they want to achieve in their life. Other men have not figured this out clearly yet. However, all men of all ages have an idea of a general direction they want their life to be moving in. And this idea of direction is so central to masculinity as an energy that even the symbol for male is a circle with the arrow coming out of it. The drive detector is what I mentioned at the beginning. Observe what fires him up, what inspires him, what deflates him, and then go toward feeding that inspiration. Support his drive, observe what brings out his best mood, what brings out his goals, his mission and purpose, and encourages all the things that support that and discourage anything that slows it down or blocks the direction that he's moving in and the direction he wants to go. And when you do this, guess what a man feels? That you truly understand him and what brings out his best. That will make you irreplaceable in his mind. Never make it harder for a man to complete his mission and be on a good track. Ever. Number 3 is be in a good mood. Why? Because your mood is your love magnet. So be in a good mood, or at least as close to it as you can. We can't fake it, but try to be calm and centered because relationships reflect the happiness that you feel on the inside back at you. So if both of you live happy within your own life, you automatically bring that happiness into the relationship and then it reflects it back to you. So how you live your life is important. So live your life in a way that makes you happy, fulfilled, and at peace, even if you were single or he left. Now, you don't always have to be fake happy, just be able to control your emotions and deal with stuff. This isn't an act, and acting will be useless. It's about how you genuinely, naturally feel in the privacy of your own mind, okay? Very important. Number 4 is give him space. Guess what men need to fall in love? Space. S-P-A-C-E. Space is a key ingredient to any love, any budding love. It makes him feel safe. This is actually key for men. Men need space because love is a process for men. Men sort out their emotions and they grow them in private when they're away from you. So focus on your own life and give him space. Do not hate space because a man's process of loving you is literally contingent upon space existing. Now, number 5 is a very visual oriented one. It is literally focus on your appearance because men find the visual very appealing. So it's literally to do the best with what you have. Focus on on what you can control. Make goals right now if you want to. Change anything about your appearance that you can actually work toward. Don't try to compare yourself to others. That gives off an unattractive energy. Just be the best you can be. Now, I want to point something out here. Maybe this is the first video you've ever watched by me, or maybe you already subscribe to the channel and watch all my videos, but I want to point out that what I'm really showing you is what the perspective is that really works, that makes your love life effortless and just plain work the way you've always wanted it to. It makes a difference between whether you're feeling totally worried, confused, and frustrated, or if things make perfect sense, you feel clear, confident, and everything just works the way you've always wanted it to without any stress. So regardless of whether or not you subscribe to this channel, when you watch my videos, no matter what they're about, I want you to always pay close attention to the perspective I show you, because that's where 90% of the power comes from to make your love life great. Now, number 6 is be present. When you're present, it allows a man to connect with you. So the real heart of being present is don't be thinking about what could go wrong, but enjoy the moment, experience it, just be in it. So drop the idea that you can control the outcome and instead adopt the idea of being a good listener. Listen, just do not be fake. That's a turnoff. Engage. Have you ever been talking to someone on the phone and you can tell that they're not really paying attention? Like they're not really there with you and they're not connecting with you at all. They're clearly somewhere else. Well, guess what? That's how it feels to men when you're caught up in your head and you're not present. So very important. And number 7 is be silly. So make him yours by being silly. Many relationship coaches and relationship advice centers around how to make him fall in love, or what men want, or how men fall in love, or how guys fall in love, or how to make him fall in love, or how to make a guy blah, 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 right? Fall in love. But what does it all boil down to? It shows all these tricks and tactics, but we rarely talk about how to just enjoy people by being silly. Life can be harsh, demanding, and difficult. Silly energy can be a big stress relief and bring joy into both of your lives, which is such a gift. Be able to laugh at yourself and with him. People are so serious. So drop the serious act and be able to just be silly and enjoy life. And all you're doing is you're having fun together, and that'll go such a long way. Look at your own life too and practice being happy, content, and peaceful as much as possible. Stop feeding into worrying and negative thinking. Stop feeding into grievances, conflicts, and resentment. Stop treating relationships as a landfill to dump negativity in. Once in a while is fine, it happens, we're all human, but don't make this a regular thing. Your relationship is not this emotional dumping ground. Let the negativity go. You can stop feeding into it and not let it keep going. Either you're bringing happy energy in or you're taking space for yourself to regain peace and perspective. Never be fake though. This is a turnoff. Just be your best and bring out your silly side. Come on. You can do it. And you can end up being like crazy cackling hyenas together and just laugh. You can go crazy and start going, rah! Rah! Spirit fingers. Yes, I am that girl. I'm the crazy girl. Woo! Just be silly, okay? I could do it all day. This is so mild. You guys have no idea how silly I can be. Just had to do that for you. So, on a more sad note, you might be making a mistake in your love life and you don't know it because your instincts are tricking you. But what if you had a personal love expert at the exact moment that you needed it, who could give you answers to any problem with men and save you from making the wrong move? We get so many comments these days, and you know I try to reply to everyone, and I still will. But I wanted to create a private group where you can get individual attention from me to help with whatever you're dealing with in your love life so you can get the love life you really want. No problems, no confusion, no more heartache or heartbreak. And space is limited, but if there's still space available, you can connect with me in the Insider group, VixenInsider.com. That's VixenInsider.com. Be sure to comment on this video with your thoughts on this topic or any questions you might have, and subscribe to the channel for more love advice so you can have the love life that you really want. And I will see you next time.